गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम डॉक्टर रश्मि शर्मा, एसपीसी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। आज हम अडेप्टेशंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। All habitats have their own specificities. Animals have specific characters that live in that environment, so they can adapt to that environment. These specific characters are known as adaptations. Animals which adapt to the environment can survive only, others cannot survive. Animals develop specific structural and physiological changes to survive in the environment. These are known as adaptations. These have role in evolution. Adaptations are number one, structural adaptations, physiological adaptations, and protective adaptations. Behavioral adaptations, structural adaptations. These are cursorial adaptations. The animals having cursorial adaptations can run very fast. Body is streamlined. Digitigrade and unguligrade foot. Last segment of fingers are long. Ulna and fibula less developed. Leg muscles strong. For example, rabbit and horse. Fossorial adaptations. Body shape is cylindrical. Head is small and cone shape. Forelegs for digging. Legs is small and strong. Neck is absent. Legs absent in snakes. Example is snake. Tail is very small or absent. Skin is protected. For example, earthworm, Sicilian worm and snake. Scansorial adaptations. Claws are sharp and folded, so can climb hills. Example, lizards and rhinoceros. Tree animals are prehensile. Forelegs can bear body weight. Desert adaptations. In desert areas, rainfall is very low or absent, temperature is high and high evaporation, fluctuation of temperature and sandstorms are very common. Adaptation for scarcity of water. Animals use dewdrops on plants, eat succulent plants. Carnivorous animals get water from prey. For example, kangaroo gets water from metabolic reactions. Mollusc skin can absorb water from environment. Water is lost in following ways. Number 1, from body cover, outer layer. Number 2, respiration. Number 3, urinary loss. Number 1, skin is very thick. Sweat glands are absent or low. Thorn or spines are present on respiration. Air is cooled in nasal chambers before discharging out. Excretory material discharged in solid form or concentrated form. In the form of uric acid, no water is lost. Adaptations for water conservation. Animals are nocturnal and burrowing. Store water in small and large intestine. Protection against sandy storms. Nostril small or valve is present. Eyelids protect eyes from sandy storms. Other desert adaptations are they can run fast. Skin color resemble that of sand color, which is background color. Poison glands are present for protection of animals. Sense organs, eyes and nostrils are well developed. Cave adaptations, Body is colorless or yellow or white in color. Body is cylindrical. Appendages not well developed. Exoskeleton is weak. Eyes are absent. Sense organs well developed. Flight adaptations. Some animals are gliding. Body is streamlined. Feathers are present. Forelimbs converted to wings. Flight muscles. Strong flight muscles are present. Long neck is present and beak is present. Beak is forceps-like. Strong pectoral girdle is present. Clavicle, coracoid, well developed. Sternum is present. Heel is present. Pneumatic bones are present with air spaces. In female, one ovary is present. Bipedal locomotion. Thoracic vertebrae joined. Synsacrum is present and pygostyle. Respiratory system is well developed. Air sacs are present so that body becomes lighter. More red blood cells are present. Brain is more developed. Equilibrium center and cerebellum more developed. Eyes are well developed. Pterygium skin membrane is present. Aquatic adaptations. Body is boat shaped. Skin is soft, foot are paddle-like, lateral undulation is present, gills are present for aquatic respiration, air bladder or swim bladder present, neck short or absent, teeth simple and homodont. These were the adaptations for desert environment or different environments. Thank you.